Guys, I have here a charging board which has a damaged charging port. This area, it was already removed, and this is the charging port. When I received this board, it was already disconnected. Supposed to be it is here. So we will return it here, but we need to replace this charging port because as you can see, the pins inside are damaged, and at the same time, this charging port at the down part is also broken. So I have here another board which has the same charging port, but this is a different board. They are not the same. So we will remove this one and replace this defective one, and after that we will see if these things will work. So let us start from this one. We will remove this from the donor board. Okay, and we will clean the board that we are going to fix. We will apply first this soldering lead. And now we will put the charging port. So hot air. Okay, now the charging port is fit properly. We will just make a retouch on the soldering, and after that everything is okay and fixed. Let's make a soldering here on the downside so that it will be properly fit. I will just make a solder on these two pins here so that it will be strong. Okay, now let's clean it, and after that we will test the board. So this is the charging board that we fix by replacing the charging pin. So this is the defective one. So what we are going to do now is to charge the board and measure the 5 volts output if it is present. Okay, so let me plug the charger. So now the charger is plugged, and let us see if we have a 5 volts here. Okay guys, we got the 5 volts now here. See? So the next thing we are going to do is to return this board on the unit on a chargeable fan. Then after that, we will try if it will charge the battery. So guys, this is the unit, and actually the board is located here. Like this. At this side. Like that. So let me connect back these wires here. Then we are going to test the unit. Okay guys, now let us try the charger. Okay, so this is it, and this is the charger now. Okay, we got the light indicator now. Oh, see, when I turn off, look. Now we will try the fan. Fan is working now. So we have the charge indicator. The light is working in this area. And at the same time, the fan is also working. Increase the speed. Okay guys, so after we replace the charging port, it is now functioning properly. So this is the defective. When they try to push the charger, maybe it was pushed very hard, then it fell off on the board and the pins are damaged. So luckily we have a donor board and we are able to fix this one. Okay, so until here guys, and thank you for watching.